So right now, I think all of my what do you call this? My purchases for this Schultüte. Ta-da! I think it all arrived, so I'm gonna pack them na because so that I can put them aside na. One down na lang yun. Don't have to think about it anymore. So anyway, the Schultüte is a German tradition for the first day of school, for the kids to have this. Usually, what's inside are sweets like candies and chocolates, lollies, or Haribo, mga gummies like that, or mga not so much of pastry siguro, basta anything sweet. And then, but Aya doesn't really enjoy the mga sweets ba. Tamili kaayo. So, instead of putting sweets lang yun, I'm gonna put something else. So, I'm gonna show you what am I gonna put inside. So, let's start with Sophie. Yeah. Oh no, somebody is gonna see. Oh. What, are you okay? Come here, my love. Baby love. Come here. Are you okay? Aya. Aya. Are you okay? Better na? No more crying, my baby. My palonggo. Where is it? Sakit ba? Let me see.
Right here.
No more na. No more pain na. No more na, ay.
Even if you kiss it, it still has pain.
Oh, really?
Yes.
No more magic in Mama's kisses, di ay?
Yeah.
Still painful even if I kiss you?
Yeah.
No more magic na di ay in Mama's kisses. Oh, big boy na. No more magic na from Mama's kisses.
No, when you kiss me, when
Baby. When you were a
it still hurts.
when you were a baby lagi kay when I kiss you, you stop crying na because Mama's kisses cure all the pains away. But no, not anymore.
No, it's because every baby, when they're close to their mom, they stop crying.
But you're not anymore a baby lugar because you don't stop crying naman even if I hug you and hold you close to me. Not anymore, my baby.
No, I'm still your baby.
Oh, you're still my baby, man. Don't cry na, my love. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I love you, my baby. You love no also your baby sister there, Ko.
I already did.
I already did. Okay. Good job, my baby, Aya.
But you did not tell me to kiss or hug. I did the kiss.
Ay. But your baby sister is okay na. She's already drawing again because she got her colored pens and her coloring book. It's not a coloring book. What is it? A mal book, where it's a blank book, a blank canvas for her to draw. How about you? Are you hungry? Doy, I'm hungry, boyo. Doy. Are you not hungry?
I'm hungry.
Me too. What do you want to eat?
I told Papa I wanted egg and rice.
Egg and rice?
Yes,
Only
I told
egg and
him.
rice?
Yeah, but Papa told me vegetables.
Ay,
So I
vegetables?
guess I took it.
Okay. So you said yes to vegetables?
Yes.
Okay. I love you, baby. mama sad if you're crying. If you cry a lot more, that will make mama sad more. But we'll wait until you're okay. Okay. You smell good lagi. My baby smells good lagi. Ah, did you hear that one? That's Mama's tummy grumbling that I'm hungry na. Hala, if you cry a lot more, the medicine for your eyes will go away. Let me see your eye again, babe. Open your eyes, my baby. Oh, it's so small na. It's so small.
Can't even see it.
You can see it because
you have glasses.
I can see it. You cannot because it's inside the here.
I thought
Your
it's
lower
right
lid.
here.
Yeah, I pointed the wrong way. Okay na? Are you okay na? So, Aya is okay na. He's happy again. Now, we're gonna continue. Minsan ko magsugod. Oh, kang Barbie, kang Sophia. Anyway, what am I gonna put inside? These are the things that I'm gonna put inside. First, I'm gonna put siguro at the bottom because the kuan are so small at the bottom na ba. I'm gonna put where's that one? The candy siguro. Mga dagpo din sila. Kanina lang Toblerone nga mini. So that nice filler sa bottom. How many are these man? In a pack of this, there are around take one no? Kanang pila ang sulod ba? Kung naman hindi butang din kung kanus arata man siya pwede makaon. Nara circa approximately 35. So, divided by 2. Mga 17. Pwede lang siguro na ito kung ano. 3, 4, 5. Enough na siguro. 5. And then, look at these little things that I got. These are so cute. Ta-ding! Oh, it's turning around now. Ta-ding! 1, 2, 2 keychain man siya. 2, ta-ding! 2, and then 3. Ta-ding! So cute, right? Ako may kaka-happy ano eh. 3 of them. Saan ka na? 3. And then we'll put again another layer of chocolate. Here. Twix. Ang Twix, this one pack also has pila may kuan din ni approximate. Ano siya approximate ano? Sige lang because 10 for this there's 10, so we'll just put like around 5 again. 3, 4, 5. And then this box. Ta-da! The magic box. So, magic box. Nasigo pa ba siya? And then we have Mentos. I think I forgot to bring the candy that Sophie wanted. Kanisa isa ka pack of this one. This is actually vegan ba ne? Yeah, it's vegan Mentos with different flavors. There's orange, pineapple, watermelon, blueberries, cherries, lemonette. There's maracuya. marakuya, passion fruit. And there's some other things, berries. So, one lang ano. One lang giinit. Wait. There's still space. I think I needed the one that I reserved for Sophie. Oh my goodness, my sheet. So wait. Where is it? What do I need? This one now. Ta-da! This was what we bought today. I don't want to eat this one. I just put it inside. Okay, it's too boxy. The magic, it's only magic cube. So there. It's too boxy, so it needs to have something there inside. There. And then the box. And then this one, a capybara, but this one is a bracelet. Yeah, but you're not supposed to see it, my love. So, but it's gonna be a surprise, you know. It's actually a bracelet. What? No. It's for your first day of school. So that one still fits. And then what else? What do I have here? Yan, after KitKat. Saan yung pagsigo ni KitKat? You know what's the problem? Because this one is too big. The cube, it takes a lot of space. Can I even open this one and see what's inside? Or try to open Dobe. No, because you know why? I still have this. Ta-da! This is from Sterntaler. It was originally for $26.99 and it was on sale. It only became €8.99. And I have been looking for this build as in because I saw it from one of the ng mga tiguan sa nursing home. And she has it. I was so I wanted to have that one, not for myself, well, also for myself, but more importantly for the kids. I know it's like baby stuff and all that, pero you know why? What's so cool about this? It has music. If you pull this, that one. But actually, this one is no secret at all. This is oh my god. This was they were the ones who chose it. So that's why. So they already know about this one long before, but it's so cute, right? So how do I put it here? Well, I want to put it at the top. This one, what's so magical about this one? It says it's a magic cube. Maybe it's just the one that's magical. But the inside is not magical at all. It's maybe just the box or what? It really is just the box that's magical. Okay. It's really just the box itself that's magical. So, the box should be intact. And then, kung siya i-appeal o butang, I'm just gonna give it na lang to her. Because I have to prioritize some things. I wait now. Let's put some KitKat. 14. So at least 7 of these, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I want to bury the puan there. The capybara there. Pero, ano ko siya pag-bury? Bury alive. So, this one is so cute now. Looking so cute already. So, just put you some kuan there. Toblerone on top. Para more, it feels like it's hugging some Toblerones. Oh, wait. Let's let it face to the other side. There. There. Better. Oh, good job, naka-there. So good there. So, there you go. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Just a little bit more. There. Then we're just gonna tie this up. Ta-dang! O, diba? Cute na. Like it. What am I gonna put to tie it on? Like that. Just gonna get something to tie it up. So I found kung ano lang abugkos, a hair tie that's pink, also pink. So that's it na. Kidding. It's cool na. Yay! It's heavy. It's a bit heavy. So now it's Aya's turn. Aya's things na. So let's put some Toblerone because it's the only chocolate, one of the few chocolates that Aya can tolerate to eat. So since Aya has, oh, I really did not include the box now. Since Sophie has 3 keychains, Aya also has them, but they are all dinos of different colors. This is like a brown one, but it looks lighter in the video. This one is a gray one. Looks cute, right? And this one is a blue one, but they're bigger ba? Very big. Oh. Like, ding, murag palm of my hand. So they're actually big, but they're also cute. So go inside the dinos. So pang sok-sok lang nato siya. Hala, makuan man siya. Oh, there. So na, good job ka ano yun. Masigo din siya. So let's put a bit of di ko na dako kaayo ang tricks eh. This lang Kit Kat, that a layer of Kit Kat. And then Aya's favorite animal in the whole world is this. It's the elephant. But I'm gonna remove this. Oh, kaning tiny ba ay kaning mark. So ano siya pag-remove nga ma-remove nga pati siya whole thing ba. So I still have to remove that one. Okay, makawala man siya sa beauty ug naa siya eh. I appreciate the trademark but masyado manig wala siya. So ano ko siya pag-remove. Ano, remove na gid siya. Ay, thank you Lord. Mabi na ko maguba pag i-remove na ako. So wala man di ay. So okay ra. Okay ra siya. Oh, wala na. Wala na siya yung marka. It's also like a thing, like a bracelet thing. Tiring. Yeah, just have to put that like that. Tiring, tiring. It's your elephant. So we'll probably not bring this at school, but kanang comfort ko comfort nga stuff. So okay, stick yourself inside there. You elephant there. Ay, hala din yan sa likod, no? Okay, there. Good job. And then I want to have another layer of pin. Maybe a Twix. Ang insert na ko kilid si Twix. So, para na lang siya filler. Doesn't even like Mentos, so I'm not gonna put Mentos there. Only Sophie that likes them. So, a Twix. Ano ba? Ipatindog sa kilid. Kaya naghuot. Naghuot ng elephant. Kakit ng elephant eh. Naghuot na gud siya. Anyway, and for Aya, it's the same price as, oh no, it's actually 29.99 euros and reduced to 8.99. Diba? Amazing. This is more expensive than the other one. But Aya chose this one because his favorite color is actually green. So, let's listen to the song a little bit. It's supposed to be somewhere over the rainbow. It's nice, right? So we're gonna put him at the top, the same as with Sophie. There. Okay na siya. Okay na. What's up na siya? More bunny? I think it's a bunny something. So like that. So we're gonna put more Toblerone kay para na eye fillers ibang to. No, di na siya makakuan. Yung sinasampot na lang ang others. The rest of it in the same pot. But you know what, actually, these chocolates, I think I'm the one who's gonna eat it. Either me. But he also likes one month Toblerone. I think he can manage to enjoy the Toblerone as well. So, Aya also has this magic cube from Jurassic World, pero I'll just give it to them now. Okay. Meron da igihapon ni siya nga style. Di siya mo sigo diri. So, it's best to just give it to them na lang now. So, you bunny, you fold your ears first. I'm gonna find a bugkos so that I can fit you here. Yeah, that's right. Think. There. Cute, na? Cute kayo. So, I'm gonna find a bugkos first. Found one, a cute little one. I hope it works. Yay! I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Napilo naman dahil ni ubos. Kay walay kuan, walay na feel din sa ubos. Supposedly candies na lang unta. It's enough na. I don't want to repeat it na. Because they're all fixed na. Yay, I'm so happy for this. No, I'm excited for you. But yeah, that's it for our Schultüte. You will see the pictures of this one when they go na on their first day of school. And yeah, that's it.